Hi guys, this is Trin from the How To Duo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a single crochet stitch. This is for absolute beginners, so if you're just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for you. So here we go. Single crochet stitch. Alright, so what you'll need is some yarn and a hook. This is Loops and Threads Impeccable Medium Weight yarn, and this is a size H hook. As a beginner, just test out a few hooks and see what your hand is most comfortable with. For me, it's the size H. Every crochet project begins with a foundation chain, so we're going to start by creating a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers and pull the end through to create a loop. You should be able to pull the end so that the loop gets tighter, and that can go right over the hook. You want the loop to be able to slide on the hook, so don't pull it too tight. Now to hold the yarn, I like to wrap it under my pinky and over my index finger. Then I grip the knot with my thumb. This keeps the yarn from twisting when you create your foundation chain. So let's chain one right now. I'm going to yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Yarn over, take the hook, and pull the yarn through the hoop. That's chain 2. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, chain 3. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the hoop, that's chain 4. Yarn over, pull it through, chain 5. Yarn over, pull it through, chain 6. Notice that I'm moving my thumb along the chain to keep it from twisting. So yarn over, pull through, chain 7. Yarn over, pull through, chain 8. We're going to be doing 10 here. Yarn over, pull through, chain 9, and yarn over, pull through, chain 10. In a pattern, chains are abbreviated with CH, and in this case we did CH10, chain 10. Now we're ready to do our first single crochet stitch. You always want to skip the chain that the yarn is coming out of, so skip that first chain and go right into the second one right here. Push the hook into the chain, yarn over to pull it through, yarn over again. I'm going to use my other hand instead of the hook to yarn over here so it doesn't twist, and then pull through both of those loops on top. Let's do that again. Push the hook through the next chain, yarn over to pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both of those loops on top. We've now done 2 single crochet stitches. Again, push the hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. That's the 3rd stitch, and now the 4th. Put the hook through the chain, yarn over to pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 5, push the hook through the chain, yarn over to pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 6, push the hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch 7, hopefully you're getting used to this, push the hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 8, push the hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 9, push the hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. We ended up with 9 single crochet stitches because remember we skipped that first chain. In a pattern, single crochets are abbreviated with SC, and in this case we did SC9, single crochet 9. Row 1 completed. Here's how to create a new row. Flip your work over and then chain 1. This will create the height you need for your stitches. Remember, to create a chain, just yarn over and pull through. Now you're ready to do stitch number 1 of row 2. This is actually going to be a lot easier than row 1 that you connected into the foundation chain. If you notice, the stitches are shaped like little V's, and what you want to do is take your hook and put it underneath the V. Then do your single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Let's do that again with single crochet stitch number 2, row 2. So again, you're going to put the hook underneath the V. This is different than the chain where we put it in between the yarn. This time we're putting it under both pieces. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Stitch number 3, push the hook underneath the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 4, place the hook underneath the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 5, put the hook under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Stitch number 6, put the hook underneath the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Hopefully you're getting used to this, and we're going to do this until we get to stitch number 9. So that was stitch 7, here's 8, under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops, and finally stitch number 9. The last stitch can be a little tight, so just use your fingers to help push that hook through and complete your single crochet. Now we're done with row 2, so turn your work over and we're just going to repeat the exact same thing we did in row 2. So chain 1, then single crochet into every stitch, and remember you're going underneath the V to do your single crochets. So we're going to do a total of 9 here, and I'm going to speed it up a little. And then I'm going to show you how most people crochet. Most people don't crochet the way I'm doing it right now, where I yarn over with my other hand. Most people just use their hook, but I find it easier to control it when I'm using both hands, so it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But to crochet one-handed, you hold the yarn the way I showed you at the very beginning, and you yarn over using the hook, and you just pull through. So here's the single crochet using the hook. So go under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again with the hook, and pull through both loops. Under the V, under the V, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over again with the hook and pull through both loops. Under the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn, oh, see, I'm switching to my hand now, flipping over, because it's just easier to control sometimes. So let's turn our work and practice with row 4. And you can switch off between using the hook to yarn over and using your hand to yarn over. So let's just practice with both, and you can decide what's more comfortable for you. So I'm going to do the first half here of single crochet stitches, yarning over with my other hand. Alright, and now I'm going to switch to the more standard way of crocheting using just the hook. Okay, row 4 is done, and let's go ahead and turn our work over and do one more row, row 5. So chain 1 and do 9 single crochet stitches, however you feel most comfortable. I prefer yarning over with my other hand, so I'm going to use that method, but if you prefer the more standard way where you yarn over with the hook, please do so. It just really depends on what's most comfortable for you and your hands. We're just about done with row 5 here, and now I'm going to show you how to fasten off the yarn to secure the stitch. Grab a pair of scissors and cut the yarn, leaving a 3 to 4 inch tail. Use the hook to pull the yarn all the way through and pull the end to tighten the knot. The final step is to weave in the ends. What you'll need is a yarn needle like this one, and you'll place the yarn into the eye of the needle. What we're going to do here is just weave this piece in and out of the stitches. So over, under, and be careful not to split the yarn. Over, under, and just weave it in and out, over, under, all the way through. So now I'm going to pull the needle through carefully, and again be careful not to split the yarn. You could continue to weave this piece the other direction, but I'm lazy like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off. And I recommend saving all these little scraps because they're perfect for stuffing if you're ever making anything that you need to stuff. I just put it all in a little bag. And now I'm gonna weave this piece, but since it's short, I'm gonna go ahead and use my hook. So just pulling it under, and then over, and then under, and then over. Let's see, we could probably do this 2 more times. And I'm being very careful not to split the yarn. All right, and we're done. You've now learned enough to crochet anything that is square or rectangular shape. So you can make a scarf, or a dishcloth, or a pot holder, or even a blanket. And the length of your foundation chain will determine the length of your project. So if you're making a blanket, obviously you're gonna need a lot more chains than just the 10 we did here. And a lot more rows than 5 as well. And there you have it, single crochet stitch. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You could also find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram at The How To Duo. And for more tutorials, visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching.